So I've never done a rant video, but I'm gonna do one now. So I've been trying to transition my channel, which for a long time was guns and shooting and hunting and stuff, but YouTube doesn't like that. So I've fallen back to one of my old hobbies, which is arcade games. I built my first arcade game, or restored one, which was a Defender cabinet around 1998, so about 22 years ago. And I've played with games and electronics and cabinets for a long time, 20 plus years. I've got a 1969 EM pinball in my garage that I completely restored, and I've got several pinballs in this room from the mid to late 1970s. So I've done that. I've been there and done that many times years ago. But that was the then. And now it's different. I mod cabinets with Raspberry Pi. I've got virtual pinball, MAME machines, arcade 1-ups, doing mods on those. I'm into what's now. And as I've been posting videos, I'm getting a lot of feedback from the old guys, the purist. Oh, that's the wrong button, and that's not right, and arcade 1-up is crap, and virtual is crap, and LCD is crap. But I'm one of those old guys. I come from that old time. I did that years ago, now decades ago. And I think what the purists are doing is they're keeping the new generation of guys and gals that are interested in retro games out of the hobby. So I'm gonna say, and this is gonna be the title of my video, Get Thee Behind Me Purists. I think that while they may do some great work in restoring cabinets, I think in general, all they really do is keep people out of the hobby. They get crotchety, this is not right, that's not the way it used to be. Well, I'm sorry, it's not 1982. I remember when it was 1982, but it's not 1982 anymore, okay? It's about to turn 2020, okay? In 1982, we were watching Star Trek. We're about to be Star Trek. The days of purity in arcade games, for those that want them to be over, really are. I've got some cabinets that are pristine. I've got some old equipment, but these days I'm more interested in modding. Right now, I'd rather have a Raspberry Pi in something than a PCB. I did that a long time ago. It's over, it's gone. What are people doing these days? In the community, they're modding arcade 1-ups, they're doing graphics for arcade 1-ups, it's Raspberry Pi, they're doing homegrown stuff. And that's what I want to do, because that's the interesting thing. That's what I want to know about. I'm learning about Raspberry Pi, I'm learning about how to do things with Raspberry Pi. That's what I'm into, that's what I want to do. And I want to use the new technology to do things. I have no CRTs left in any of my arcades. I got 30, almost 30 games in here, not a single CRT. I've lugged heavy CRTs around. I did it 20 something years ago. Worked on CRTs and degaussed stuff. I don't do that anymore. That was then, this is now. I love LCD. I adapt things to LCD. I think it looks great. And that's just me, and I think that's okay. And when it comes to people getting into this hobby, I think that people ought to do what they want to do, share what they want to share. If you like it, fine. If not, scroll on. Anyway, my first ever rant, and it's over.